me again. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. Girl, subscribe while you're here. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new GlamLite Happy Hour Open Bar palettes. The first one that we're going to be reviewing is the Margarita one. It came in this cute little casing thing, but this is what the palette actually looks like outside of it. Super cute. If you guys watched my previous video, you know that we do have 4 of these, so this is going to be a 3-part series because one of the 4 I will be giving away, but you will find that out in the last video which one it is, so stay tuned for the series. So the color story on this one is so pretty. Look at how cute this is. I like all the little fruit right there, and then the colors here, they're just beautiful. The shimmers on this palette are just like so intense. I know for a fact I'm going to use Tequila Gold at some point, but I know also for sure I want to use this strawberry and probably the pink prickly pear or the pink lemonade. The first shade I'm going to go into is going to be the blood orange down here. This one is like an orangey pink, and I'm going to pack that onto my crease. I actually think that this is a very, very pretty color. Very, very pretty. Hey guys, Future Malari here. So I meant to tell you guys about the giveaway, how you can enter. So there are 4 of these palettes that I have. One of them will be given away. So to enter the giveaway, simply every video will have a giveaway entry. It's going to be 3 tutorial videos, and then the last one is going to be with the giveaway palettes. To enter to win one of these, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and after you subscribe, comment a margarita glass in the comment section below. If you do not have emojis for whatever reason, just comment margarita in the comment section below, and that's your entry for this video. So now I'm going to move on to watermelon. And I think today we're going to do like a halo eye, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in here as well. The shades are blending together very, very nicely. Like this looks really, really good. No fallout. The colors are really pigmented. I've never had a GlamLite palette before. These are just like, so far so good, GlamLite. So far so good. So now I'm gonna go into the color Strawberry. You know what's weird? Strawberry looks like a matte on the palette, but it actually has a little bit of shimmer in it. Like just like subtle shimmer. So far so good. So far so good. I'm really loving that. So I left this little space right here on purpose because I was gonna add the halo eye. I mean, it was supposed to be more space, but you know, we'll fix it. I'm going to take my Morphe eyeshadow base and do like a cut halo in there. That way we can put one of these shimmers on top of it. Okay, so for lid shade, I think I want to use this Fresh Pineapple right here. This almost looks like foil, like a foil type of eyeshadow. It's so pigmented, it's so shiny. Now I'm going back in with Strawberry to just kind of blend out the outer corners of that, well, like the edges. Blend out the edges of that and deepen it up a little bit. That all is giving me like pink lemonade vibes, right? Pink lemonade. I want to use this color Spicy Jalapeno as well, so I'm going to use this as like an inner corner highlight right here. Okay, you guys, so far so good on this eye. I'm not really seeing much fallout. The only fallout that I do see is from the yellow, and it's like in my hair a little bit, and it's just like slightly like down here. But for the most part, the colors came out pretty pigmented, very easy to blend, very creamy, just like all around good stuff. So for this side, I'm going to take the shade Tamarind. It's just kind of pretty. Look at sure how I feel about it, but I kind of like it. So next, let's move on to this color, Shot Time. I might have to use strawberry again, but let's just see if we can make something out of this. This color is like almost the same as my skin, so it's not actually doing anything. So I'm gonna have to go back into strawberry again because I need to do something else. That other shade was way too light. So let's go into strawberry again. Okay, so now that these shades are blended together, I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing that I did on this side where we just cut out the center so that we can add a lid shimmer. This side, we're going to use the Presidente on the lid. Look at these colors though. Like, they are so vibrant. Look at this. It's so pigmented. I don't know which color is my favorite so far. Like, I really like jalapeno, spicy jalapeno. I really like the fresh pineapple, and now Presidente is looking really good too. I don't know. I'm gonna go back in with that strawberry and just kind of blend that Presidente shade in a little bit more on the edges. Now we're gonna use this Tequila Gold in the inner eye corner, inner corner highlights. So I like the shade a lot, but I don't think that it's good for like where I put it. It wasn't good for where I put it at all. Maybe I'll just put spicy jalapeno on top. That way they can kind of be the same. I'm gonna put spicy jalapeno on top of there. That made it like a weird version of the spicy jalapeno color. Okay, there we go. That is like actually really pretty. These shimmers are very, very pretty. Even Tequila Gold was really pretty, even though where I put it wasn't good for it. That was really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look with liner and lashes, and I will give you guys my final thoughts on the palette. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I did add a lip stain. This is the Berry Ripe by ColourPop. It's the Fresh Vibes lip stain color that I use. I just felt like it went with the look and everything. I feel like this palette is more like summery or springtime type of look, but overall, I would have to say like this is like top tier. Top tier. Tequila, the Margarita palette. These shades are beautiful. They are so shimmery, they're vibrant. The blue, the Presidente, I don't know which one was my favorite, y'all. I really can't tell you. I think spicy jalapeno, fresh pineapple, and Presidente definitely are like top 3 out of the ones that we used. I really like those shimmers. The shimmers and everything are like perfect. So like I said, that you guys can enter the giveaway. There will be 3 more videos with these palettes, 2 more tutorials, and then the last one will just be a giveaway. So if you have not already, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and you will see my face in the next one.